TurnKey, Unlocking Homeownership. Today, we will review our down payment assistance program within the suite of TurnKey down payment products, Homeownership Possibilities Expanded, or HOPE. HOPE provides access to the missing middle, or households that do not traditionally receive support but need help with down payment, closing costs, or other eligible repairs. In this training, learn about HOPE and how to access HOPE funds. Alert! Alert! This training does not provide a complete review of guidelines or processes, which is why we provide TurnKey users with a comprehensive guide called the TurnKey HOPE User Guide, found on our TurnKey page at FHLBTopeka.com/TurnKey. There is also a companion PDF below this video with quick reference terms and formulas addressed in this video. HOPE is very similar to our traditional homeownership set-aside program, but there are some differences. HOPE is not limited to first-time homebuyers. The household income must be at or below 150% of the area median income. Homebuyer education is not required. Loan-to-value, or LTV, cannot be less than 80%. HOPE is funded through voluntary funds. This means that FHLBank Topeka contributes funding over and above the 10% required by our regulators because we are committed to supporting homebuyers in our district. HOPE is similar to the traditional homeownership set-aside program in that we will begin accepting reservations on March 4th, 2024. There is a minimum and maximum subsidy for eligible households. The minimum subsidy is $2,500 and a maximum subsidy of $12,500. There is a monthly member limit for HOPE reservations of $62,500. The front ratio may not be greater than 38%. Check out the equation and criteria for calculating front ratio in the companion PDF linked below. Discount points for the loan amount may not exceed 3%, and neither can lender fees. Households may receive up to $250 cash back at closing. Learn more about cashback, member reimbursements, and closing disclosure in the companion PDF. And finally, HOPE households are not required to repay the HOPE subsidy following a 5-year retention period. However, if the home is sold or refinanced prior to the 5-year retention period, repayment of a prorated amount of the subsidy will be required. In addition, subordinations are not allowed. For step-by-step instructions on HOPE guidelines, look to the TurnKey HOPE User Guide found at FHLBTopeka.com/TurnKey.